What if your next family SUV could last so long? Your kids might end up driving it to college. Sounds far-fetched? Well, not if you pick the right one. In a world where some vehicles barely make it past 100,000 miles, there are still a few rock-solid SUVs built to go the distance, and then some. Today I'll show you the best family SUVs that are not just reliable, but practically unbreakable. We're talking about comfort, space, safety, and engines that keep ticking well past 200,000 miles. Whether you're hauling toddlers or teenagers, these SUVs are in it for the long run, and so is your wallet. Today's rock-solid contender is none other than the Ford Expedition. If you're hauling soccer gear, camping gear, or a crowd of 7 to grandmas, this beast is built to last. With its full-size frame and rugged 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, the Expedition isn't just big, it's durable. In fact, studies showed that about 5% of Expeditions in the real world rack up more than 200,000 miles, way above average for SUVs. When it comes to family life, it offers cavernous cargo space behind its third row and seating for 8 adults comfortably. Safety tech like advanced driver aids and sturdy build quality add wallet-friendly peace of mind. And the ownership stories back it up. Forum users regularly say things like, "Mine passed 300,000 miles with just routine maintenance," highlighting its low-cost upkeep. The Expedition's towing chops, you're looking at around 5,000 pounds, mean you can hook up a trailer or camper easily, making it ideal for multi-use family adventures. Sure, full size means full tank, but modern EcoBoost engines, decent aerodynamics, and available hybrid assist keep fuel costs in check over hundreds of thousands of miles. This SUV isn't just for the short haul, it's a partner for decades. And if you think full-size durability has to mean full-size price tags, the next SUV might just prove you wrong. Next up, meet the Toyota Highlander, a mid-size crossover that's practically built to outlast your whole family. Under the hood, a reliable V6 or hybrid powertrain keeps things smooth and efficient, and with praise from IC Cars naming the Highlander Hybrid among the top 5 longest-lasting SUVs, it's clearly not running on happy childhood nostalgia alone. Forums back this up. One owner shared that a gas model Highlander reached nearly 300,000 miles with minimal repairs. The hybrid versions are even more bulletproof, skipping some of the transmission drama that pops up in other crossover SUVs. Inside, there's plenty of space for car seats and weekend gear, with 3 rows that don't squeeze adults into sardine cans. Toyota's reputation for low ownership costs continues here. Scheduled oil changes, brake services, and some normal wear-tear grafter is all it takes to push toward 200,000 miles and beyond. Safety and resale value are equally strong. Kelley Blue Book lists the Highlander as a top family choice for reliability and value, and IC Cars gives it an impressive 8.1 row high-ability rating. This SUV effortlessly blends long-term ownership with everyday practicality, perfect for the family that's in it for the long haul. And if you thought a dependable hybrid would kill your towing plans, hang tight, because next, I've got an SUV that does durability and rugged adventures. The next SUV in line is the Honda Pilot, a mid-size 3-row utility player that makes a compelling case for long-term dependability. Powered by a robust 3.5-liter V6, the Pilot balances performance and comfort, making it a favorite among families who log long commutes and road trips. Real-world data shows plenty of examples of Pilots cruising past 250,000 miles with only routine maintenance, and owners frequently report forwarding that reliability with comments like, "My Pilot just crossed 270,000 with 0 major repairs." Inside, space is well thought out. Adults can sit comfortably in the third row on shorter trips, and cargo room expands impressively when you fold down the rear seats. Over time, Honda's build quality switches, upholstery, and mechanical components tend to age gracefully. Repair costs stay modest, with common wear items like brake pads and spark plugs being straightforward and affordable. And when it's time to sell or trade in, the Pilot's resale value remains strong thanks to its history of low ownership costs. This SUV shows that you don't have to sacrifice comfort or capability for longevity, just smart design and reliable engineering. But here's the kicker. If you're picturing a family SUV that can also conquer snowy cabins or sandy beaches, the next one might just redefine your expectations. Enter the Toyota 4Runner, an old-school body-on-frame legend that refuses to quit. While most family SUVs today lean toward soft road comfort, the 4Runner sticks to its roots with a truck-like build, a time-tested 4.0-liter V6 engine, and a reputation for mechanical simplicity that has earned it cult status. This thing is the SUV equivalent of that one uncle who's been using the same flip phone since 2007, and it still works perfectly. Owners regularly report crossing the 300,000-mile mark, especially those who stay on top of basic maintenance. And that's one of the 4Runner's biggest strengths. You won't find turbochargers or complicated hybrid systems here, just honest, old-school reliability. Sure, the fuel economy isn't winning any awards, think 17 to 20 miles per gallon depending on the trim, but if durability is your top priority, the 4Runner delivers like few others. Inside, it's not the most luxurious, but it's tough, spacious, and ready for anything from a school run to a backcountry camping trip. Safety features have improved in newer models, with Toyota's Safety Sense suite now standard, and resale, practically unbeatable. These hold their value like gold. Even older models from a decade ago can still fetch surprising prices on the used market. So, if your idea of a family vehicle involves dirt roads, ski trips, or just never worrying about a check engine light, the 4Runner belongs in your garage. But if you want something that mixes dependability with a bit more luxury and tech, the next SUV might hit the sweet spot. Now for a sleeper pick. Let's shine a light on the Mitsubishi Montero, a seldom mentioned but seriously tough body-on-frame SUV that's often overshadowed by mainstream names. Driving a Montero feels like stepping back into SUV fundamentals. A proven V6 engine, simple transmissions, and rugged construction made to withstand rough road 7 in extreme conditions. Owners in forums boast high-mileage feats without big scares. As one Redditor noted, just hit 200,000 last week, not as much pain as 50-way car payment on a TRD 4Runner or Jeep Rubicon. These trucks were built to go forever with regular maintenance oil changes, timing belts on schedule. That kind of Carrand, it's common to see them cruising past 280,000 kilometers in global owner clubs. It may lack flashy infotainment, but that's the point. Minimal electronics equals fewer headaches decades down the line. Interior-wise, it's practical ample room for family gear and durable finishes that stand up to the chaos of parenting. On resale, you'll often find them underpriced compared to more famous SUVs, but savvy buyers know they're getting a pre-vetted workhorse. Consider the Montero if you're after a no-nonsense SUV with proven longevity, especially if your road trips aren't just around town. It's the kind of vehicle that surprises you by outlasting more popular options, and that transition-proof toughness is something few other models can match. It's easy to forget about SUVs like the Montero, but sometimes the ones flying under the radar are the ones that go the farthest. And speaking of going the distance, this next SUV might just be the best-kept secret for families who want comfort, reliability, and longevity, all wrapped into one smooth ride. Say hello to the Buick Enclave. Yes, a Buick. And before you scroll past thinking it's just for retirees, hear this. The Enclave delivers serious value for families who want long-term comfort without paying luxury brand prices. Equipped with a dependable 3.6-liter V6 and a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic, earlier models, especially from around 2011 to 2017, have proven surprisingly resilient. Many owners report well over 200,000 miles with only basic maintenance. It's not a truck-based tank like a 4Runner, but it offers something else: a quiet, refined ride and a near-luxury cabin experience that doesn't punish your wallet. Inside, the Enclave feels like a living room on wheels. There's ample space in all 3 rows, tons of cargo room with the seats folded, and soft-touch materials everywhere. Safety tech and infotainment options improved steadily over the years, and newer models come with a suite of driver assist features that make long trips easier on everyone. Fuel economy hovers around 20 miles per gallon combined, which is decent for its size, and while resale isn't as strong as a Toyota, that just means you can find great deals on the used market, often well below comparable Hondas or Mazdas. The Enclave is the kind of SUV that grows on you, easy to drive, hard to kill, and more comfortable than it has any right to be at its price. But if you've been waiting for the true underdog, the one SUV that almost no one talks about but quietly wins the long game, don't miss what's coming next. I'm talking about the Mazda CX9. Now, Mazda isn't the first name that jumps out when we talk about ultra-durable family haulers, but that's exactly why this pick is so underrated. The CX9 blends engaging driving dynamics with serious long-term reliability, especially in models built from 2016 onward. And while it's more refined than rugged, owners consistently report these SUVs passing the 200,000-mile mark with minimal drama. Under the hood, you'll find a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder that offers strong torque without sacrificing fuel economy, around 23 miles per gallon combined, which is impressive for a three-row SUV. But here's the kicker. Unlike many turbo engines, Mazda engineered this one for durability, not just performance. Regular oil changes and preventive maintenance are usually all it needs. The interior? Easily one of the nicest in its class. It punches above its weight with upscale materials, quiet cabins, and a design that still feels fresh even 5 or 6 years down the line. Space in the third row is a bit tight for adults, but kids and teens fit comfortably, and cargo space is flexible enough for family adventures. The CX9 is a smart buy for families who want something fun to drive, sleek to look at, and dependable in the long run. It may not have the rugged aura of a 4Runner or the resale clout of a Highlander, but if you want a sleeper SUV, that'll stick around well past the warranty this Mazda delivers. Last, but definitely not least, let's talk about the Chevrolet Tahoe, a full-size family hauler that's built like a tank and often outlasts the families driving it. If you need space, power, and staying power all in one package, the Tahoe delivers in spades. Armed with a 5.3-liter V8 that's been refined over decades, this SUV is built for high mileage. It's not unusual to see Tahoes still running strong after 250,000 miles, especially when maintenance is kept simple and regular. And despite its size, the Tahoe doesn't feel like a school bus behind the wheel. It rides comfortably, handles confidently, and pulls like a champ with up to 8,000 pounds of towing capacity. Inside, it's a fortress of space. The second and third rows can seat actual adults, not just children, and the cargo area swallows everything from strollers to camping gear. Build quality is solid, and newer models offer modern safety tech, good infotainment, and that classic American SUV feel that so many families love. Resale value has remained strong thanks to its reputation, and reliability ratings from J.D. Power have consistently put it near the top for full-size SUVs. Fuel economy is, understandably, not its strongest suit. Expect about 15 to 20 miles per gallon, but when it comes to sheer longevity, the Tahoe is in it for the long run. So if your family outgrows smaller crossovers or you need something that doubles as a road trip machine and daily commuter, the Tahoe is a rock-solid investment. So there you have it, SUVs that don't just get your family from point A to B, but stick with you for the long haul, year after year, mile after mile. These aren't just reliable rides, they're long-term partners built to take the hits, the miles, and the messes of real family life. Want more smart picks like these? Go ahead and click on one of the videos on your screen. YouTube knows exactly what you'll want to see next. And if you found your next SUV in this list, drop us a comment and hit that like button. See you in the next one.